Following the backstroke comes the teaser. We swivel up in a teaser and remove one spring and then return back, moving the body back just slightly so the tailbone is now on the box. From here, press into the springs to roll all the way up into full teaser position, arms reaching against the weight of the springs. Lower and lift the arms 3 times from the powerhouse without letting the arms drop behind the body. When finished with 3, reach out in front and resist the springs all the way back down, continually reaching in front. Next, come up and make 3 circles up and out to the sides, and you can add 3 circles the opposite direction, which is harder. Or we're going to do a different variation here. We'll roll up again and we'll hold this position with the arms and circle the legs, keeping the body as still as possible. Reverse the circle of the legs 3 times. Again, keeping the body still and quiet, trying to bring the legs up to the level of the eyes. Reach through the arms to slowly return back home. We'll show one more variation here. There's lots of variations that you can see below. We come up, turn the hands, palms facing front, and then salute or shave the back of the head if possible with the arms. 3 to 5 times, turn the palms back over and return to the bar.